Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pick list in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to setup, and from here, you will need just to click setup and start searching for pick list. So in a quick find, I will just type pick list, and from there we will find all the pick list value sets. And from here, I already have these pick lists or these pick list value sets, and I'm just going to click on new so we can be able to create a new pick list. I'm just going to name it anything, so my set, and let's name it here, and from here you can start giving it some values. Now you can choose to display the value alphabetically, or you can just use the first value as default value if you want, but they are not mandatory. Now I'm just going to click on save, and now I have created my values or my pick list. The next step is to start using this picklist. And simply to use picklist, you can go to the object manager, choose any objects from here, and basically you click on the object, you go to field relationship, and then you will need to start creating a new picklist field type. So I'm just going to search for a picklist. I'm just going to click on next, and from here you can name the label whatever you want, and basically that's what is more important. Now you can be able to start using the picklist that we have created here. So I have named it set. So basically now you can give it a name field and the name label, and you click on next, and basically it will inherit the set's uh, values. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.